Melissa, how about over at Booz Allen Hamilton? I know you all are right smack in the middle of helping these agencies out. What are you seeing across the top line there as far as activity in the AI/ML space?
Yeah, thanks, Luke. You know, as a company, early on, we recognized that this is an area of focus for our business, and in particular, it's just an enabler. It was exciting to hear Chris, Brian, and Carly talk about their challenges, because that's really, you know, at the heart of what we've been focused on in Booz Allen. And it's exciting, you know, even last week, Bloomberg came out and announced, you know, Booz Allen is one of the top defense sector AI ML contractors. And this was, you know, really a lead that was cemented by our win in the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center. But we started investing a couple years ago, and I want to highlight a couple key areas that we focused on. One, Brian alluded to this, is the ability to scale and reuse algorithms and ML and AI capabilities, both internal to Booz Allen as a company, but also for our clients, because there are a lot of pilot efforts out there that have a lot of potential, but how do you capitalize on those, take advantage of the investment, and import those capabilities to solve other client challenges, rather than reinventing the wheel every time, you know, we solve a challenge or start a new workload. So we created a AI ML platform called Modzy, and this is Booz Allen's enterprise AI platform and really our model marketplace. This way we can deploy, run, and manage an unlimited number of our AI models in a private, secure platform. But we also did this in partnership with companies like Hypergiant, NVIDIA, Crowd AI, other niche AI ML providers that want to make those models available, both to the whole of government and commercial. So we've had a lot of success there, where we can quickly access and train models. And this is a platform that we now have licensed model out there, so that our clients can capitalize on the investments we've made in these models, but also host their own. Think about it as a library, an open marketplace that agencies can store their models. Another key area to recognize, and I think Chris really hit on this as he was describing what they're doing in DITRA, is capitalizing on modern software best practices, and recognizing that while a lot of clients want to realize the potential of ML and AI, you have to have the ability to go from pilot to scale these capabilities. And that's really taking best practices in agile modern software development to automate deployment and provisioning of that software, but also the data. So how do we use what we call ML ops or data ops to also introduce AI and ML to automate the infrastructure, so that we can quickly move data at scale? I mean, we're talking, you know, mass amounts of data, and Brian alluded to this. Most of our challenges we're solving are in the high terabytes of data, and there are still a lot of manual extract, transfer, and load processes, even for those that are using small scale AI and ML applications. How do we automate that so we can help government scale it and do more with it?